before you progress with too much of the material, I did want to interject here with a reminder of one of the most ancient and most applicable um, acronyms in all of design, and that's KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. I know here in, you know, learning some of what we can do with JavaScript to influence the way and to supervise the way that our unknown potential future clients or our current clients are entering data. I know for some of you, there's going to be a temptation to get in there and really design the bojangles out of those forms. So you will see things here with the LinkedIn Learning module that are noodly, just like they were design noodles when we saw them with Dreamweaver, design noodles when we saw them with WordPress, design noodles when we've seen them all the way back to just HTML and CSS. And what I'll tell you is nobody cares. And I am, as big a sucker or a culprit in this as I know some of you are want to be, where, hey, when they fill out, a first name field, the background turns a very, very light shade of green, so they know green means go. And if they miss a field, the background can turn red because they'll know red means stop and go back and do that. I've made those forms before, and I'll tell you, users don't even know that stuff is happening. Just bounce them back with a little red message that says, this is a required field is a much better use of your development time, and it's a much better use of your unknown potential future clients' time when it comes to actually entering data into those fields. So, I know some of you are going to be sorely, sorely, sorely tempted moving forward. Like, look what I can do. And all that stuff is great, but you'll want to keep some of those noodles to a minimum because your user does not care. Your unknown potential future client super doesn't care. Your current client doesn't care. They want to be able to enter data into a form and get the heck out. That's it. So the best you should expect and the best that you should provide is a very, very simple layout for how it is that the users are interacting with that form, how it is that the users are entering data into that form, because every layer of complexity you add onto that, wait, I can put gravy on the icing. All of that stuff feels good when you're a developer because you're like, look at all this stuff I can do. And all it does is detract from the overall experience that the user is having. So keep it simple. I know you're going to see a couple of things in here that are like, well, that could be pretty neat. Just think about the simplicity of the design before you hit publish on those. It's just an advisory warning moving forward for you, not necessarily anything having to do with what you'll have to provide for this particular session.